All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm super grateful that they send me these every single month to share with you guys and to use myself. But I was actually a BoxyCharm member like years and years and years ago. So I have been a tried and true client of BoxyCharm forever now, and I am really excited to share with you guys what is in this base box. So if you guys want to see what's in here, just keep watching. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, there is a base box and a premium box. You guys can get the base box for $25. It is going to be loaded with full-size products that are going to be worth way more than what you paid for the box. So this is kind of a no-brainer. And then if you get the premium box, you're gonna get 6 full-size products. So that is always a plus as well. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So with every BoxyCharm box, you are gonna get a little theme card, and on the back, it's actually gonna break down every single product that you got and the retail value of the product. So you're actually gonna be able to see how much the box is worth, and you only paid 25 bucks for it. I think my dog just puked. Okay, he didn't. False alarm. He was scratching the couch. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to swatch whatever I can. The first item is going to be the Ace Beauty. Is that how you say it? I don't even know how to say it. But this is the Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. This retails itself for 40 bucks. So you only pay $25 for this box. So right there, you've already pretty much almost doubled the value just on one product. So this is, I mean, look at that. It's so beautiful. The Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette, and oh my word, you guys, look at how beautiful these colors are. Oh my word. All right, so this first one is the shade Icy. Second shade is going to be Glowing. The third shade is Poppin'. The fourth shade is Radiant. The fifth shade is Gleaming. And the sixth shade is Beaming. All right, if I were to pick one to wear every single day, it's probably gonna be this one. This is Glowing. It's definitely more my style, my skin tone. But this one right here, what is this one called? Gleaming. I was actually really surprised by it. It's a really pretty like bronzy pink. Very, very pretty. And then this one right here, let me get the name of it. Poppin' right here. It's a very iridescent type highlight. So if you like a good iridescent highlight, you would love that. All right, next up in the box is going to be the OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder. This says it's perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on a setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. So this retails for 22 bucks. I actually have never heard of this brand before. Some of the brands that I get in here I've heard of and I've used and I love, and then some of them every now and then are a new brand. So it does have the little sifter. It does look like it has a slight tint to it, which is fine. Most translucent powders do. Let me see how to get this one open. All right, so I popped it open a little bit, and I don't want to mess with it too much. I kind of just want to feel the powder. So I just picked it up. Oh my word. This is pretty. It mattifies so nicely. It has such a buttery feel. That is really, really nice. I am gonna have to try this in like comparison to some of my others. You can see the difference between this and this right here. Like it is truly, truly mattified. Okay, that feels nice. I'm really excited to try this one. Next up, we've got the Yinsa, I believe is how you say it. This is the Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This primer is the perfect step to achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 super-powered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Lightweight, satin sheen, invisible skin perfecting finish. Let's just test this on the back of our hand. Super cute packaging. Smooth a thin layer, tone up primer over clean moisturized skin. Blend BC foundation for smooth, even coverage. I'm assuming their BC foundation must be their own foundation. All right, so let's see how this gives us a glow. All right, so it definitely doesn't really have a smell. I don't know if you can really tell a difference on here. It definitely feels like it would hold makeup pretty well. I don't know, maybe now it's kind of absorbing to where I can't really feel it. I will have to try it with makeup. For a glow, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't see any glow to that at all, so I'm not quite sure why they would call it an essential glow, because I'm not seeing any glow. I feel a difference, definitely feel a difference between this side of my skin and the not primed skin, so that's a plus. And it is a very smooth texture, But when it comes to glow, I'm not seeing the glow, so I don't really understand that. But I'll have to try this and kind of see what I think. All right, next up is the Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. This is an award-winning makeup brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, brush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fiber. So this brush itself is $28. Once again, that's more than the box cost itself. It does say it's vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free, which we love. So this kind of reminds me of the Saint brush, if y'all are familiar with that brand. It's a dual-ended situation. This is super soft. It's definitely not dense enough for me to use for bronzer, probably. For blush, I think it would be nice. Definitely not dense enough for bronzer for me. The sponge, not too bad. I don't know how you would wet it, though. Do you wet it on the brush? That would be my other question. It doesn't say anything about wetting it. And then it says you twist to get the other brush. So here is the liner. I mean, if you were a traveler, which I am a traveler, this could come in handy, and this is a great brush. I love a small shader brush for sure. And the way that this feels, it feels like it would be fine. You know, I don't hate it. I don't love it. Just because it's different. I like my brushes and I love my brushes and I stick with my brushes. It's hard for me to switch up. But I mean, the concept of this is neat. I'm gonna have to, I guess, try this. The sponge is gonna be the weirdest part for me. I don't know if you wet it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. All right, next up is gonna be the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. It is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance. I don't like that word. So it's actually not added fragrance. It's from oils, essential oils, and things like that. It does say flavor pineapple. I guess it's from, I don't know. Coconut oil, cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. This right here is 23 bucks. It is a brand new product from Bali Balm. Let's smell it because I'm a big pineapple fan. Sweet baby Jesus. That smells like fresh pineapple. And you can tell it's definitely got the oils in there. Oh, that's nice. That's gonna feel really good. Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. And it leaves it feeling so smooth, hydrated. It's not greasy. That's really, really nice. And it smells so good. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful in showing y'all what you could be getting in your base box from BoxyCharm. Remember, it's only $25 a month, and this box alone was valued at $148. So it is well worth your money. You get some amazing products. And then don't forget, there is the premium box as well, where you're gonna get 6 full-size products for $35. So I will link this below for you guys. Y'all can always drop questions in the comments. I will kind of update you guys on what I think of things as I use them in the comments. So stay tuned, and other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.